Baking soda is one of the most versatile and powerful natural remedies in the case of countless different health issues. This cheap, but effective ingredient can be used to prevent colds, headaches, cancer, skin issues, and much more. Additionally, it can be used as a product for oral hygiene, as a deodorant, etc. Baking soda is often used to treat and prevent numerous health issues, including acidity, peptic ulcer, diarrhea, drug intoxication, and metabolic acidosis. Also, it contains sodium and prevents bladder infections, kidney stones, and hyperkalemia. It has potent antipruritic properties which support skin health. These are some of the most important health benefits of baking soda. Relieves heartburn. Experts claim that a heartburn is a result of the acid buildup in the stomach, and when the acid goes up the esophagus, it causes a burning sensation or a heartburn. Baking soda can immediately relieve it. Treats cold and flu symptoms. Numerous people use baking soda to naturally treat colds and flu. Baking soda effectively destroys viruses if used in the early stages of the infection. Here is how it should be taken. Day 1. 6 doses of half a teaspoon baking soda mixed with cool water on every 2 hours. Day 2. 4 doses of the same mixture every 3 hours. Day 3. 2 doses of the mixture, 1 in the morning and 1 in the evening. Day 4. 1 dose a day until the symptoms disappear. Neutralizes stomach acid. Baking soda efficient neutralizes stomach acid, as it restores the pH balance in the body. The consumption of half teaspoon of baking soda and 1 cup of water will provide excellent effects. Unhealthy diets often raise the acidity levels in the body, and baking soda neutralizes it and maintains a healthy pH balance. The famous doctor and Nobel Prize winner Otto Warburg found that cancer cells cannot thrive in an alkaline environment. This means that the alkaline body can effectively prevent cancer and all kinds of health issues. Treats UTI. Since cancer cells and bacteria survive in an acidic environment, the use of baking soda on a daily basis will alkalize the body and treat the infection. Add a teaspoon of baking soda to a glass of water and consume it on a daily basis. Relieves kidney stone discomfort. Kidney stones may often be a result of uric acid buildup, and the regular consumption of baking soda water dissolves stones and prevents the formation of new ones. Improves physical performance. Due to its alkalinity, baking soda can enhance the physical performance, as it lowers the lactic acid levels released by the muscles, and helping you to endure a more strenuous and longer training. Relieves gout pain. Gout is an inflammation of the joints and is a result of the accumulation of uric acid in the body. Since baking soda effectively prevents the acid buildup, its consumption significantly relieves gout pain. A simple test for low stomach acid. To help digestion, our stomach produces hydrochloric acid, or HCl, in order to break down proteins into essential amino acids, stimulate the function of the pancreas and prevent diseases by destroying harmful bacteria. However, the reduced levels of HCl can lead to various gastric issues, like indigestion, bloating, heartburn, and constipation. In order to evaluate the acid levels in the stomach, you can do the following simple test. Mix 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda with an 8 ounces glass of cold water, and drink it as soon as you wake up in the morning, on an empty stomach. If the HCl levels are adequate, you should belch in about 2-3 minutes afterward. Yet, note that the most accurate methods can be done in a laboratory, by your physician.